Hey guys, hope you are doing well, even if the crypto market is dumping today, but the metaverse and the gaming tokens are doing well, just as you are doing well. So, my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and push the bell notification all to get time sensitive content. So let's share my screen and let's go to check our favorite bubble chart and see how the market looks like today. So we see SAND is unstoppable, so almost reached $8 and it's insane. So the top was $8 and now correcting a little bit back, and also Gala, Mana, and other metaverse and gaming coins like WaxP are pumping, and also Curve, Mina Protocol, Phantom, CRO Engine doing well, and also Chiliz. But we see a few coins, Solana, Cardano was hit by eToro, delisting news, and Luna, AMP, also Enron and Avalanche is correcting, especially Cardano and Loopring, but I think all these are good buying opportunities. So I'm really happy to see this 5-10% correction, especially in these layer ones and dot also, and cake is not doing well today as well. But if we are looking into Bitcoin is almost at the same level like yesterday. Some FUD is going around. We are getting closer to the Friday option expiry date. And also Ethereum is down 3%, but I think it's holding strongly about 4,000 US dollar and looks a little bit better than Bitcoin. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and you see it is sitting at 42. And yesterday the index was in the fear zone at 33, and also 42 is in the fear zone, not in the neutral zone. So I think this is quite representing well what the market sentiment is out there. But even if fear and some dump is on the market, the leverage positions are not decreasing. So maybe we will see a final shakeout when this option expiry happening. So I expect a volatile market until Friday and maybe over the weekend. But after Thanksgiving, the biggest holiday in the US, I think we will see a nice bump as it used to be. So, and when the index is in really low levels, then it's a good buying opportunity when investors are so fearful. When greed is back, greed can last for months, then it's due for a correction. So now we are almost in the middle and in a little bit in the fear zone. Let's go and check our favorite, not favorite, but our first news of today. Not jump here back and forth. Bitcoin sees fresh split second spike as analysts say almost time for BTC uptick. Okay, but now 60,000 continue with Bitcoin RSI due to rebound. So as you see, we had this kind of double bottom kind of formation on the 1 hourly, but also it came back, and now we have some nice movement in the past few hours. Analyst 2021 still confirms the bullish pattern. Popular Twitter account Tag Dev focused on Fibonacci levels and Bitcoin's behavior around them this year so far has confirmed exactly to the standard. So let's check this tweet, what he shared, and let's go. All three full BTC cycles so a mid-cycle bounce of the 1.272 Fibonacci. After that, 2013 phase resistance at the 1.55, 2017 faced resistance at the 1.61.8, and 2021 phased in at both. So 2021 is the year merged 2013 and 2017. After this is historical when mania sets in. So you see this was this resistance, mania, boom. And then in 2017, 1.618 was the resistance, then boom, mania phase. And now both are resistance, first 1.55 and now 1.618. And then we expect when breaking this resistance, boom, and that will lead to top of this bull cycle. That analyst feeds into a prediction of the current cycle topping out at around 300,000 US dollars. Okay, Pentoshi meanwhile confirmed a belief that 60,700 should be reclaimed and held in order to plan long positions. So far, sellers have seemed weak and the lows down here, and Zcash outpaces top 10 crypto gains. I don't know why Zcash is so popular, but it's good for now. And also Barry Silbert, founder and CEO of investment giant digital currency group, tweeted Bitcoin BTC. I am told that there are trading bots that auto-purchase tokens when I tweet out a ticker. Shall we give that a test drive? So he tweeted Bitcoin. Okay, that's cool. So some bots following Barry Silbert's tweet and buying up if he did something. Our next piece of news is a veteran trader, Tom Ways, says 100,000 US dollar BTC by end of year unlikely. So it's quite interesting because a few weeks ago, Ways said that he just keeping his prediction for the end of the year that Bitcoin will reach 100,000. So here is his new forecast. So let's quote. And while I still like for Bitcoin to break a 100,000 US dollar area by the end of the year, at the moment that is looking unlikely. But Q1 2022 is perfectly reasonable for that break of the 20,000 mark. I do anticipate this Bitcoin price closing at below the 50-day moving average to be a rejection. It's already acting like a rejection, but if we make it this 50-day moving average in a short period of time and on the daily scale within a couple of weeks, I would expect it to break to the upside. For now, however, we are going to remain conservative and we are going to assume that this is reaction taking place, taking price down to a new swing low, as unfortunate as this sounds, but this is currently the more likely path, even though my thumbnail is bullish and my background is bullish, but Tom Ways is bearish. Also, this is in the song, but he turned to bullish. Okay, next piece of news is top analysts predicts massive tech bubble style blue off top in Bitcoin and crypto. Here is his timeline. Cool, sounds pretty good. Kaleo, analyst Kaleo. And there was a discussion with Jake Wujatsky of Trend Spider, and quote from Kaleo, I think at least my whole strategy has basically been playing off the tech bubble 2.0 narrative, and I think crypto fits within that window. And I really think it's going to be similar to what we saw back in that 1999, 2000 timeframe, where the market tops around March, where there is a blue off top both in equities and crypto, but especially in the tech side of the market when it comes to equities. And then I think crypto still even outpaces tech. You know, that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can go down the list. So short term right now, I don't see us going too much lower than we have gone already. I'm not sitting there stressing about every micro movement. I'm looking more zooming out for the macro price targets, and I still think BTC within the next 6 months could go to the 150, 250,000 US dollar. So as far as capitulation risk, maybe Bitcoin does touch 50,000. Like if touches 50,000, all that you are going to see, in my opinion, is more opportunity. So that is how it works. So let's go just back to our Bitcoin rainbow chart. So if Bitcoin will top out here around 250 or 150 and 250, then it can drop back to the 50,000 US dollar levels and bouncing here. I think also you should prepare this because this will be a lifetime opportunity to realize some profits there and also reinvest those profits at the lows. Cool. Let's go to our next news. Bitcoin falls below 56,500 as the entire crypto market sees red. Not the entire crypto, because metaverse coins and gaming coins are rallying. Bitcoin's price suffered a major hit today, dropping to its lowest since mid-October, as market observers cited several factors as potentially triggering these declines. And guys, also yesterday that was the news that Mt. Gox will release the 140,000 bitcoins, and also I think this is a kind of FUD is going around, and several factors for Bitcoin recent bearish run. What are these factors? Okay. Let's see. Extremely old wallets. There has been a moment of Bitcoin from extremely old wallets that has spurred rumors. So this is a kind of FUD. I think, in my opinion, the Bitcoin price decline this week is a culmination of rising selling pressure and of year profit taking as well as speculation, he stated. Multiple analysts also spoke to the impact that an ongoing Mt. Gox situation could have had on the price of Bitcoin. The entire crypto market plunges. Yes, massive amounts of panic selling in India because the India government's proposal to ban private cryptocurrencies in India with certain expectation led to massive amounts of panic selling on Tuesday night, leading to the crash of India's biggest crypto exchange, CORX. So I don't know if India will ban private cryptocurrencies like privacy coins. That why should people sell other thousands of cryptos? But yeah, so this is how it is. We need some FUD sometimes to push the price down. This is the whalish games. Big whales are doing and playing this. And let's go. Bitcoin hits new all-time high in Turkey as fiat currency lira goes into free fall. So why did Bitcoin reach this new all-time high? Because the local currency lira is losing value. Bitcoin passes 700,000 in lira, and President Recep Tayyip Erdogan pushes to keep interest rates low, and USD Turkish lira gaining 14% on Tuesday. So this is the US dollar Turkish lira. So guys, this was in September 8 US dollar, and now is almost 13. BTC Turkish lira reached in Turkish lira a new all-time high on Binance. So just look at here. Look at here. I like much better than the US dollar chart. The US dollar chart just had this big spike recently, but against Bitcoin, the price increase was continuous. The currency has lost a third of its value since March and declined for 9 consecutive years. Conversion for Turkish lira to US dollar will merely slow the collapse, while adoption of BTC will reverse the damage and revitalize the economy. Bitcoin marketing departments. So this is a kind of marketing departments. Yes. Okay. And Erdogan also who declared war against cryptocurrencies in September. So I don't know why the president is not carrying the national currency to strengthen the national currency. So they are starting a war against crypto, and in the meantime, their local currency is collapsing. Okay, so yeah, sad if you're living in Turkey, but hope you can use Bitcoin and other cryptos. So hope you have access to those cryptos. Cardano slides to a 3-month low. What's awaited for an ATH price in coming days? Okay, so the bearish trend continues. Cardano FUD and Cardano price hitting lower levels or $1. No. Some resale updates and Israel-based crypto exchange eToro has delisted ATH and TRX for its US customers. Cardano price losing the grip, and this is how it is. Let's check why eToro delisted. Hoskins on crypto exchange eToro's upcoming delisting of Cardano ATH in US. So eToro delisting Cardano US-based clients will not able to join staking and rewards and using ATH and Cardano trading ATH and not ATH and TRX. Okay. Unexpected move by eToro forced Hoskinson to take to YouTube to clarify some of the confusion surrounding this news. In summary, Hoskinson said neither the Cardano Foundation nor IOHK had been contacted by any financial regulators about ADA. eToro's move is the result of lack of regulatory clarity around crypto assets. Although it is unfortunate that eToro felt it had to take this action, the listing of ADA on the top eToro platform in the US will have no meaningful impact on the liquidity of ADA for the following reasons. Most liquid assets, huge amount of ADA. eToro is handling not too much amount of ADA trading, and also Bitstamp listed ADA. So I think this is maybe a part of some FUD that some whales want to push Cardano's price down to buy more, but this is just how I think. Bitcoin and other cryptos tank over 20% in India amid panic selling over crypto bill confusion. Okay, so there is a bill going around and India banning private cryptocurrencies. So India banning private cryptocurrencies. So not the major cryptocurrencies, not the decentralized cryptocurrencies, private cryptocurrencies. What are private cryptocurrencies? Like maybe privacy coin, as they are not using the good word, but I think this is they want to ban privacy coins. But India is nothing new because India is coming out in every month with the news that we are doing that, we are banning this, we are not banning, we are banning. So I think this is also maybe a part of the FUD. So I wouldn't be scared about this news. Indian government to soon bring crypto regulations as it plans to launch its CBDCs. So this is going on because they want to launch their national cryptocurrency, national CBDCs. So they want to regulate other crypto assets before they launch their national CBDCs. But let's make it clear what they are understanding on private cryptocurrencies, because I think maybe privacy coin but what are private cryptocurrencies? So it's just such a bad wording. Okay, so this is for today. Let's go and check some charts on TradingView. As we see, Bitcoin is going into the apex of this triangle. We have this upper trending trend line here. This is a long-term trend line, and we have this small tri-frame resistance trend line here. Bitcoin hasn't touched any of them, and now it's just trading in the middle, and 56,000 is a new resistance for Bitcoin, as it was just discussed in the yesterday video. And the new, so this is the new support. The 56,000 is the new support for Bitcoin, and the 60,000 is the new resistance for Bitcoin. So I expect some sideways movement. And also, as we are going into Friday, then I expect more volatility coming in. If we are looking into the short positions, we see that short positions is continuing going up. So shorts are increasing, shorts going up, and this is how whales want to short out of weak hands and buying up their coins. Bitcoin dominance is now sidewaving, but went down. That caused a nice altcoin rally yesterday. And we see like Avalanche is correcting, but I think Avalanche is looking really good in this. So I would buying Avalanche below this trend line and waiting for breakout. If it breaks out, that also I would consider a short trade, but for a long term, I would pick up some Avalanche if going down. So now it's much cheaper, at least how many percentage? It's cheaper now, almost 18% than it was a few days ago. So yeah, let's go and check what DOT is doing. DOT is consolidating on this horizontal resistance line at 38. So I think DOT is really undervalued, and if this will just break down, then it also can come lower. But I expect some news coming out how the parachain options are going, and now also Aaron is coming down after they launched the Maya exchange with a nice 1.2 billion US dollar incentive. So I would pick up some Aaron if coming down to at least 50% of this run up. What Ethereum is doing? So Ethereum is holding strongly compared to Bitcoin. So we have a higher high and also a lower high, a higher high and a higher low also. Lower high or higher low. Okay, so actually this is a nice movement, and if Ethereum will come and making such a movement, that I think we can break and coming back about 56,000, but that will be the new resistance zone. If Ethereum would break down, then it would come down to lower level of, let's see, at least the 3,700 levels. Phantom is doing great. So Phantom just broke up from this downward trending movement and broke this resistance trend line, and now trading below and targeting these $3 US levels. Yes, other coins are correcting, especially Luna. So I would pick up some Luna. Is correcting further. I think that will be a good buy if Luna coming down to 36 US dollar levels. And also Matic is not moving too much today. And what else? Yeah, let's check ADA. Actually, ADA was hit today. Oh, ADA went down to 1.6. We'll see if this 1.6 will hold. So we have several levels to watch here, 1.4, 1.6. So we have several levels to watch out, 1.3, 1.4. Okay, so definitely we have to see these new applications running on Cardano, and then I think a nice rally can start on Cardano. What else? Let's check TLM. Aliens were doing well, so this is a nice breakout. So I think it will have a nice continuation pattern. So congratulations if you bought some at these levels. And also Sand is unstoppable, and also Zcash is doing well. So Zcash was flattened out here, not too much rally, but now started to pump. Also, Mooriver is coming down, so I would pick up some Mooriver here, and also DYDX it's trying to break up and now retesting, so I would also buying up some DYDX here. Sand is going nuts, so after breaking this trend line, Sand started to rally, haven't consolidated here, hasn't consolidated here for a while, and continued to pump. So this is a huge movement. So someday Sand should just come down a little bit. It was too much, I think, but yeah. So definitely, I would like to pick up some Sand, and also Cardano is coming down below this downward trending trend line. So I would buy some Cardano in this region. Loopring also consolidating after breaking up. Maybe we will see a retest and then a rebounce. So guys, this is for today. Also come and visit our farms. Also, we have nice APRs on the Binance Smart Chain farms, CorionX BNB pair, CorionX BUSD pair. Now I see CorionX BUSD pair is 1000%, so maybe we should just adjust something on the farm, but this almost 300 percentage APR is looking really nice here. And also we have some other experiment, but just use CorionX BNB and CorionX BUSD. And also we are checking the Ethereum farm, because some of you just indicated that you have some issue. So it seems for us working well, but we'll see how the harvest and unlock functions are working. But we have a nice 330% APR for CorionX Ethereum farms, and this is lasting until 20th of January. And also we have staking, where you can look up your ERC20 CorionX just for earning staking rewards 100%. So we are working on different new things. We will not announce just things without any view when we can see when we can launch these things. So just be ready, and we will announce when we see this is the time is now. So thank you for watching. Thank you for smashing the like. Share this video with your friend. See you tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Prepare for volatility and use it for your best. Bye bye.